Hello student, today we are going to solve a problem on torsion of circular shaft under strength of materials. Problem number 9. Let us read what is given here. A solid iron shaft is replaced by a hollow MS shaft, hollow mild steel shaft of same external diameter. If steel is 30% stronger and 5% heavier than wrought iron, find the ratio of diameter of hollow shaft and also the ratio of weight. A solid iron shaft is replaced by a hollow MS shaft. That means torque transmitted by solid shaft, iron shaft, and torque transmitted by hollow shaft, MS shaft, are same. Next, if steel is 30% stronger, that means induced shear stress in steel shaft 30% more than wrought iron shaft, 5% heavier steel shaft, 5% heavier means weight of steel shaft is 5% more than wrought iron shaft. Here we find out the ratio of diameter of the hollow shaft means ratio of inner dia and outer dia of hollow steel shaft, and also find out ratio of weight. Ratio of weight means ratio of weight of hollow shaft steel and weight of solid shaft, that is iron shaft. Okay. In our problem, given data T solid equal to T hollow. T solid means torque transmitted by solid iron shaft. T hollow equal to torque transmitted by hollow MS shaft. It is also given capital D diameter of solid wrought iron shaft equal to outer dia of hollow MS shaft. Okay. It is also given FMS equal to FWI plus 30% FWI equal to 1.3 FWI, as mild steel is 30% stronger. It is also given rho MS equal to rho WI plus 5% rho WI equal to 1.05 rho WI, as steel is 5% heavier than wrought iron. Rho MS specific weight of mild steel, rho WI specific weight of wrought iron. We find out small d by capital D, ratio of small d and capital D. Small d equal to inner dia of hollow shaft, capital D equal to outer dia of hollow shaft. Here capital D outer dia of hollow shaft and also diameter of solid shaft, it is same. Outer dia of hollow shaft and diameter of solid shaft, it is same. We also find out ratio of weight of hollow shaft by weight of solid shaft. Okay, as T solid equal to T hollow, torque transmitted by solid shaft equal to torque transmitted by hollow shaft. Now this is the formula of torque transmitted by solid shaft. This is the formula of torque transmitted by hollow shaft, pi by 16 into capital D to the power 4 minus small d to the power 4 by capital D into F ms, and torque transmitted by solid shaft pi by 16 capital dq into F wi. Capital D outer dia of hollow shaft, capital D diameter of solid iron shaft, small d inner dia of hollow ms shaft, F wi induced shear stress of wrought iron shaft, F ms induce shear stress of hollow MS shaft. From this equation, we get capital D to the power 4 minus small d to the power 4 by capital D to the power 4 equal to F Wi by F MS. As steel shaft 30% stronger than wrought iron shaft, so value of F MS equal to 1.3 F Wi. Now we calculate from this equation 1 minus small d by capital D to the power 4 equal to 1 by 1.3. So small d by capital D equal to fourth root of 1 minus 1 by 1.3 equal to 0.6930. This is the answer. So ratio of inner dia of hollow shaft and outer dia of hollow shaft equal to 0.6930. Okay. Now we find out ratio of weight of hollow shaft by weight of solid shaft. Now volume of hollow shaft, this is the volume of hollow shaft, pi by 4 into capital D square minus small d square into L. This is the volume of hollow shaft into rho MS by, this is the volume of solid shaft, pi by 4 into capital D square into L into rho Wi. Rho MS is the specific weight of mild steel. Rho Wi is the specific weight of wrought iron. As hollow steel shaft, hollow MS shaft 5% heavier than solid wrought iron shaft, so value of rho MS equal to 1.05 into rho Wi. From this equation we get third bracket 1 minus within bracket small d by capital D whole square, third bracket into 1.05 into rho Wi by rho Wi. After calculation we get 1 minus 0.6930 square into 1.05. equal to finally weight of hollow shaft by weight of solid shaft equal to 0.5457. This is the answer. So ratio of weight of hollow shaft, hollow MS shaft by weight of solid wrought iron shaft is 0.5457. It is clear, my student? Thank you.